Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I have a Yamaha Grizzly 450 Outdoorsman. And most of these Grizzlies or Yamaha 450s are pretty much the same. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to change my solenoid. So I've ordered the part and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install it. Now the first thing you're going to do is take the seat off your quad. Everybody should know how to take the seat off of their quad because you got your tools and everything down there and it's just necessary to know how to do that. Now that's where your solenoid is located, underneath the seat. It's right here. First thing you're going to do is you're going to remove this screw right here. You're going to pull this cover off, and that's going to give you access to your solenoid, all of these little boxes and fuses. And next I'll go ahead and remove the battery cable from the battery on the positive side. Right down in here is the solenoid. I have to take this out. I have to take this off, so check out the orientation of all this. That's how it goes back in there. Now I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to remove that screw right there. It is also a 10mm, but you can't really get in there with a socket, so I'm going to use probably a Phillips screwdriver would be better. Now that that's out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull this out. Up and out. You don't have to unhook it, just have to get it out of your way because I don't want to be pushing wires in here. Now I've got plenty of room to pull this out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to grab it. I'm going to lift up on it and pull it out. And this here is the solenoid. What I'm going to do is take this and unplug it. You got this little piece right here. You just push in on it. And most of the time these will come out. Depends on how long it's been in there. You might have to fight with it. But there that one is. I got my new solenoid right here. It already came with bolts. I'm going to go ahead and remove the old one and put on this new one. I'll take this 7/16 socket. I'll remove these two bolts. Magnetic socket keeps you from losing the bolt. Now as you can see here, the way this is set up, this is the ground, this is the hot wire because it's going to this fuse right here. So you can see that wire going across through there. Now this one here is oriented the same way. It's got this plate over here for the hot wire, so that's why I'm putting the positive on this side. So we'll go right there, and I'll go ahead and put a bolt in it, and then I'll hook up the ground. Got it bolted down. I'm going to put these covers on them. These are tight, which is really good. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. And I'm going to go ahead and stick it down in there. Because if it don't work, I'll just have to order another one. Get it lined up. There's a place down in there where these little rubber boots go. And then you just push it. And now the rubber helps keep it from vibrating. It takes the vibration out. Now with this here, remember how it came out. So all you got to do is take and slide this back down in here. Hold on to these wires. Pull them this way. There's that little grommet right there. You got to line it up. I'm going to put this right back in there like this. This will hold all this down, keep it from vibrating around. I'm going to tighten that up. That's tightened down. Now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to hook the positive cable back up on the battery. Now I'm going to go over here and put this plate back on. I left the screw in there just so I wouldn't lose it. This little piece goes right up inside there. And then you go ahead and put the seat back on, and you are done. Okay, that's all there is to it, to put a solenoid on. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.